Today we will discuss about the topic integration by substitution. I use the substitution method because the many integration cannot be solved in the direct method. Then we use the substitution method. Suppose already we know that integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus a c, where c is the integration constant. But in case of an integration of cos 7x dx is equal to sin 7x plus c, that should be not the right, because it cannot be, that should not right, because it cannot be solved by the direct method. So let us how to solve this equation. Integration of cos 7x dx, put 7x as the t and differentiating this equation with respect to x, we get the result 7 is equal to dt by dx. Then dx is equal to dt by 7. Then the integration is converted to integration of cos. Here is the 7x, we put t, and here is the dx, we substitute dt by 7. Since 1 by 7 is a constant, so taken it way out, 1 by 7 integration of cos t dt, which is equal to 1 by 7 integration of cos. Already we know that integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. So integration of cos x is equal to the sin t plus a c, which is equal to 1 by 7 sin. Here is the t, we substitute 7x because the integration is given in the variable x. Then there is a different type. In this lecture we all discussed type. There is 4 types. First type is the type 1. Type 1 is of the form integration of f of ax plus b. X plus b into dx. Let us take ax plus b is equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get the result d by dx of ax plus b is equal to dt by dx. If we take the first order derivative, then a should be out, dx of 1 dx is 1. Again, derivative of constant, already we know that the derivative of constant term is equal to 0. So a is equal to dt by dx. That implies dt is equal to 1 by a dx. Dx is equal to 1 by a dt. So this integrand is converted to integration of f of t into 1 by a dt. 1 by a is a constant term, taken it way out, f of t dt. So now we are solve a problem using this method. Evaluate integration of sin 3x dx, sin 3x plus 4 dx, which is in the form of f of ax plus b to dx. Now we find the solution. Integration of sin 3x plus 4 into dx. Let 3x plus 4 is equal to t. Then differentiate, we get the result 3 is equal to dt by dx. That implies dx is equal to dt by 3. Then this integrand is converted to integration of sin. Where is the 3x plus 4, we put is the t, and where is the dx, we put dt by 3. Since 1 by 3 is a constant taken it way out and it is converted to 1 by 3 integration of sin t dt. Already we know that integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. So this is converted to minus 1 by 3 cos t plus c, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. Where is the t? Then we substitute 3x plus 4 plus c, which is our required result. We already discussed the type 1, then go through the type 2. In type 2 is of the form integration of x to the power n minus 1 f of x to the power n dx, which is the form x to the power n minus 1 f of x to the power n. Which is put, it is not be solved by direct method. So here put x to the power n as the t. Again, using same procedure, differentiate both sides with respect to x, you get the result x to the power n minus 1 is equal to dt by dx. That implies x to the power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So, this integration is converted to integration of where x to the power n we put is t. So, f of t, then where x to the power n minus 1 and dx we substitute as the dt. Then in the type 2 we also solve an example. Let us take the example. Integration of 3x square sin x cube dx, which is also in the form x to the power n minus 1 f of x to the power n. Here f is the function is the sine and the x to the power n is your x's cube. For x's cube is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x, you get the result 3x square is equal to dt by dx. That implies 3x square dx is equal to dt. So this integration is converted to integration of 3x square dx, and we will substitute dt, and in the x's cube we put it as t. So sin t dt. So which is also which is already know the formula integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. So here we substitute this formula minus cos t plus c, which is equal to minus cos, where is the t, we substitute x's cube minus cos x's cube plus c. In the type 3 is of the form integration of f of x to the power n into f dash of x dx. Here we put f of x is equal to t. Again, already we know in the differentiation f of x, derivative of f of x with respect to x, we get the result dy by dx is equal to d by dx of f of x, which is also equal to f dash of x. Equal to f dash of x dx. If we take the differentiation on both sides, you get the result f dash of x is equal to dt by dx. That implies f dash of x dx is equal to dt. Then you substitute in the integration of, where is the f of x you put as the t to the power n, and f dash of x dx is as the dt. already we know a formula. Integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a c. So this is converted to t to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, which is equal to is the f of x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a c. Let us take an example. Integration of tan to the power 7x sec square x dx. Here before let tan x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get the result. Derivative dy differentiation of dy dx of, already we know that dy dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. So dy dx of tan x is equal to dt by dx, that implies sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this integrand is converted to integration of t to the power 7 into sec square x dx is put as the t, which is converted to x to the power n dx, which is also equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So this is using this formula we get the result. Here n is equal to 7. So t to the power n plus 1, so 7 plus 1 whole divided by 7 plus 1 plus 3, which is also equal to t to the power 8 by 8 plus c, which is, where is the t? We put as the tan x. So tan 8 to the power x whole divided by 8 plus c. Here is your very good solution. Now we discuss our last type, the fourth type, which is of the form integration of f dash of x whole divided by f of x dx. Let f of x is equal to t, then differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get the result. F dash of x is equal to dt by dx, that implies f dash of x dx is equal to dt. So this integration is converted to integration of f of x dx. We put dt and 1 by f of x we put as 1 by t dt. Already we know that the formula integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus a c. So which is equal to ln t plus a c, which is equal to ln, and is the t, we substitute f of x plus a c. Now let us take an example. Integration of, evaluate the integration of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x whole divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Put, now solve. Put e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get d by dx of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is equal to dt by dx, that implies d by dx of e to the power x plus d by dx of e to the power minus x is equal to dt by dx. That implies derivative of, already we know that derivative of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, and derivative of e to the power minus x is equal to, we know that the derivative of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, but e to the power minus x means there is a coefficient minus 1 is multiplied in the e to the power x. we know that in case of a differentiation, in the variable whose coefficient is multiplied, after the differentiation, then it should be multiplied in the whole term. So this is converted to minus 1 e to the power minus x. So e to the power x plus minus e to the power minus x is equal to dt by dx. That implies e to the power x minus e to the power minus x whole into dx is equal to your dt. Then this integration is converted to integration of 1 by t dt. Already we know that integration of 1 by x dx is equal to ln x plus c. So this term is converted to ln t plus c, which is equal to ln, where is the t, we take it as e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c, which is our